Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to restore recently deleted posts on your Facebook. Maybe you want to restore your deleted post on your Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can restore deleted posts on your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then from here you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see the settings button. Tap on it. And then in here, scroll down until you see this activity log. Under the your activity, tap on it. Then in here, you'll see this button, trash. Tap on it. And then in here you'll see the post you deleted in less than 29 days. If you want it to restore, simply tap on this check button and then tap on this restore. As you can see, restore to profile. Item restored to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. Tap on this restore to continue. And as you can see, restoring item to profile. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can restore a deleted post on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can restore your deleted post on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.